A very good morning, students. Today we will discuss emergence of biopolarity after Second World War. Meaning of biopolarity. Two superpowers having almost equal capability. Biopolarity was the outcome of the Cold War, which began between Soviet Union and US after the Second World War. The great old power of Europe like Great Britain, France, Germany, Italy, etc. become quite weak. These powers were replaced by two superpowers like USA and USSR. Factor responsible for establishment of biopolarity. Following factor responsible for establishment of biopolarity. First, decline of power of the Europe nation. For a long time, Europe nations maintained their supremacy in the international politics, which had ended after the Second World War. It had created a vacuum in the power of Europe. Both the Soviet Union and USA had become efforts to fill the vacuum in which they had succeeded in large extent. Competition between capitalism and communism. America and Soviet Union represent two different ideologies. There was strong competition between these two. Both were compelled to contain the influence on go other and expand their own influence. Cold War and alliance politics. The ideology difference between both the superpowers had taken the form of Cold War in international politics. Both made use of alliance politics to spread their influence. Military alliance. Military alliances were also responsible for the emergence of biopolarity in the world. The objective of these alliances was to increase their influence in the world, and America was the first country to enter into alliance there. These were Soviet Union had made Warsaw Pact, and America has made SEATO, NATO, etc. Arms race between both the superpowers was also responsible for the rise of biopolarity in the world. By throwing atom bomb over Japan in 1945, America had tried to establish their supremacy in the world. Environment of fear and terror. The steps taken by both the superpowers, particularly in military field, had created an environment of fear and terror in the world and has frightened the peoples. Why superpower need alliance? It gave opportunity to the big power to establish their control over the underdeveloped countries. Big powers were able to establish their military base. It also provided an opportunity to big power to spread their ideology in the aligned country. Some of aligned countries were even ready to bear the expenditure of the force deployed in their countries by the superpower. Challenges to biopolarity. Rigid biopolarity did not last for a long time. Weakening of Soviet bloc. Ideology difference between Soviet Union and China. The wide difference between Soviet leader Khrushchev and China's leader Mao Zedong had resulted in increasing the difference between Soviet Union and China. Boundary dispute between the countries, nuclear capability of China, growing clashes between China and America, etc. Strengthening the nationalism among the countries to Soviet bloc. Gradually, the nationalist force had become strong in the member countries of Soviet bloc. Result were not prepared to accept the supremacy of Soviet Union. Yugoslavia was the first country which was able to come out the Soviet influence, and this was a big blow for Soviet Union. Second, weakening of American bloc. Independence state by England and France on Suez crisis. In 1956, England and France had taken an independent action on the base of Suez Canal without consulting USA, which was not liked by USA. The USA was expressed its disagreement on the issue with England and France. So this was the first crack which had developed in American bloc. Expansion of nuclear club. Both USA and USSR did not succeed in maintaining their nuclear supremacy for a long time. In the fifth decade of the 20th century, England was the sixth decade. Both the France and China had acquired nuclear power and prepared nuclear weapons also in 1974. Development of Western Europe. Mutual cooperation. The countries of Western Europe had made impressive economic development and now they were no longer dependent on USA for economic help. The countries Europe had formed Europe Common Market, which played an important role in economic unification of Europe. Non-alignment and its impact. The decision of the newly independent countries to remain non-alignment, not to join any power blocks, had also given the serious blow of bipolar system. Purpose of the developed mutual cooperation. The countries of South Asia and Africa had convened a conference in 1955 in Padang, the city of Indonesia, in which including India. Representatives from 29 countries of Asia and Africa had taken part and had founded non-alignment movement. Thanks. Have a nice day.